Hey, it's Jim, and welcome to this page. Listen, I'm just showing you right now the checkout page, which is just a free registration page for my new course called SSL Genesis. And what it is a course that shows you how to make your WordPress website SSL secure. So you get that little HTTPS, you get the little green secure icon right by your web address when you're in Google Chrome or Firefox or Safari. It's one of those trust factors. It's really becoming more important because Google is ranking websites who have SSL higher in search results. There's all sorts of good reasons to have it. Number one being that it protects your data, yours and your customers, even like contact form data, which may just have email addresses and stuff like that. Customers love it. It's a trust factor, and if it's something that you want to do, rather than putting together a course and trying to sell it to you or something like that, what I've done is just set it up so that you can get inside for free. And this is what the checkout page looks like. So you can see the price right here, basically free, and enter your name and email address, click the big green continue button, and I'll show you everything that I talk about here, which is setting up SSL for your website, totally free. It works with any web host, and you don't need any additional software. You don't need to buy an SSL certificate. You don't need to change web hosts. None of that stuff. It just works. And so if that's something that you're interested in, all you have to do is click the link that's on this page so that you come here to what you see on the screen, fill in your details, click the big green continue button, and then you're going to land right inside the registration area, and this is what you get. So there's several videos here, including the Let's Get Started, which is just a checklist of the things you're going to need, which is really straightforward. It's just two things. I've even put together a couple of videos for troubleshooting, as well as if you need to undo everything because it didn't work for you or you just got cold feet or whatever. There's even a video that shows you how to unravel everything, and it's actually pretty easy to do. So there's really no risk here, and everything is totally free. So if you just click the link on this page, go register, then I'll see you inside the course. All right, thanks.